Hey guys, it's Lana. We're gonna go over whether we should rent or buy this property. These are our givens over here. We're gonna go ahead and start with the loan amount, and we can get that by doing our loan to value ratio times our purchase price. And then the annual debt service, which is our payment. We'll do the formula. We'll do the interest rate divided by the payments per year. Then take the loan term times the payments per year. Then we will take our loan amount, and we can multiply. That's only the monthly payment, so we'll multiply it by -12 to get a positive yearly payment. Then we can do our annual loan constant by doing the annual debt divided by the loan amount. We can get our equity investment by doing the purchase price minus the loan amount. Go ahead and start on our payments, which will be the annual debt service, and then that'll be the same across across then we can do our interest. After that, we'll use the formula. Then we'll take the interest rate and divide that by the payments per year. Take the loan term and multiply that by the payments per year. And then our loan amount, and then take the end period and the end period, the beginning period and the end period, and then the 0 for the type. Multiply that by a -1, so it'll be positive. And that should give us the interest. And that would be our interest for the first year. We can take and log in these numbers so we can then drag it across and edit it for the following years. We'll take the second one and we'll have to edit the start period for because now we'll be on the second year, month 13, and then the ending month, which would be month 24. And you see that goes up. Then we'll do the third year, which would be starting with month 25 and ending with month 36. The fourth year, starting with 37 and ending, and then ending with 48. And the fifth year, starting with month 49 and ending with month 60. Then we can go back up and do the balance. Or no, then we can do the principal, which will equal payment 1 minus the interest. And then it's going to be the same over here. Minus the interest. Payment 3. Subtract the interest. And payment 4. Subtract the interest. Payment 5. Oh. That one doesn't seem right. Subtract the interest, and so forth. Then we can do our balance, which will be our principal 1 and then for the second balance, well, then our second balance will be equal to balance 1 minus principal 2. Okay, so actually I messed up there. To do the balance, we'll take the loan amount and subtract the principal. And then to get the second one, we'll take the balance one and subtract that by the principal, by the second principal. Then we should just be able to drag that on to calculate our other ones. Then we'll do our property, the property value. And for the property value, the first one will be the purchase price. That's for year 0 for the value. And then for the first year, we'll take the purchase price and multiply that by the first year plus the property growth rate to get the second one. I don't know why I didn't put the money. Sorry guys. And then you'll just do that for all of them. Take the purchase price and then multiply it. We'll do the second year this time, added by the property growth rate. And then the property value will go up. Well, I don't know why that wasn't working. Let's try that again. I'm going to take the purchase price and then multiply that. We have the first year plus the property growth rate. And that's giving us that still. Let's try locking it down. See if that works. Should calculate it for us. And it did. And then for the rents, we're going to take the initial rent price which is going to be up here, times 12. For year 0, and then for the second year, we'll take the first year times 1 plus the growth rate again,